स्वामी महाराज कृष्ण महाराज कृष्ण महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव कृष्ण की चरण कमलों में मेरा जहाज का दंडवत प्रणाम स्वीकार हम लोग श्री भजन रस की कथा श्रवण करें। प्रथम जान साधन निशांत बजे श्रद्धा इसमें पहली जो की कथा हम श्रवण कर रहे थे।
So we were hearing about the Bhajan Rasikatha. Another one GV, jaldi, another one GV. Go. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is praying according to the Srimad Bhagavatam. So Mahaprabhu is, they are praying to Mahaprabhu.
निजत्ते गौयान जगति पदिहित्यान प्रपरिमान हरे कृष्ण कृष्णत्तेव बनाम दिनां कीर्तनं हो इति प्राय शिक्षा चरणं उpe भवति सं कृष्ण पुण्येन यस्य श्री पदम।
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he is praying to Mahaprabhu that the Sachinandan Gaur Hari, so
और वही कृष्ण ही गौर सुंदर के रूप में आए हैं। कृष्ण वर्णम तथा कृष्ण स्वयं अपने नाम ही कीर्तन करके जगत को शिक्षा दे रहे हैं। जो कृष्ण इन दो वर्णों का कीर्तन करते हैं,
so Krishna is doing that too.
कृष्ण है अर्थात गौ है, वे अंग जन नित्यानंद प्रभु और अद्वैत प्रभु उपांग श्रीवास आदि तो भक्तों के साथ और पार्षदों स्वरूप दामोदर रामानंद गदाधर पंडित एवं अन्य गोस्वामी के द्वारा परिवेष्टित तथा अविद्यानाथ अस्त्र हरिनाम से युक्त है। वह श्री कृष्ण नाम रूप गुण लीला तथा वर्णनकारी परिभावन श्री गौरांग देव नाम संकीर्तन जग के द्वारा भजन करता हूँ। इस कथा को हम लोग
So in this katha, we have heard this katha for last few days, that Sachinandan Gaur Hari, he is Krishna himself after the Dwapar Leela, at the end of Dwapar Leela, when he has finished his Krishna Leela, so Krishna was thinking himself when he went to the Golok Vrindavan, that Srimati Radhika, so what kind of love she has in her heart, which I cannot relish completely. That's why, that's for Swarup Damodar Rota Shloka Shri Radha Pranaya Mahima. So we have heard this shloka. So for three reasons, actually, Krishna, Rasik Sekhar Krishna Param Gurun, करिए प्रचार. So Rasik Sekhar Krishna, so Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is describing that Mahaprabhu, in this, when he descended in this world, so there was a prominent reason, said what kinds of bhav or love Radharani has in her heart, that Radharani for herself always feeling so much separation and love towards me. As I told you, Radharani, she walks here and
तमाल वृक्ष
there.
के देख करके
When she saw the
राधा
tamal
जी
vraksha,
समाधि में करते
she
समाधि में समाधि
hugs the
करेगा।
tamal tree.
ये हृदय में कौन सा ऐसी
So,
प्रेम है
what kinds
जिसको
of
भी
love
सोच
she
ले
has
मेरा तो ऐसे
in
नहीं
her
है।
heart that Krishna is
मैं तो
thinking
राधा जी
himself.
के भांति ऐसे पागल नहीं हो जाता।
So, what
जैसे कि
kinds of love she has in her heart that she is so much absorbed in that and she is mad in that love. So, Krishna is thinking himself.
मेरे अंग के गंध में सभी लोग सुगंधित हो।
So the smells by the body, smells of my body, everybody fragrant, everybody relish that. But what kind of fragrance Radharani has, she has in her body that I am getting mad.
जगेंद्र दुर्गम गति मधुसूदन तस्तात्मो विश्वान भुवो दिशोते। प्रवदानंद सरस्वती पाद
So Prodhanand Saraswati Pad in Radha Rasodasari, he was describing that in so there the side Radharani stands, so I do the pranam of that side again and again.
ये राधा की अंग गंध कितने सुंदर है।
So how the beautiful or fragrant of the body of Radharani. So when Radharani got man and she was standing another side of Radha Kunda, at that time Krishna, he was not able to walk forward because causeless man was done got by Radharani. That's why he was so much praising. So the pavan means the air. When that air was touching the cloths of Radharani and playing with that cloths, so at that time, not even this only. So the Vayu Devta, so they are taking that air, the smells of Radharani's bodies through the air and coming to the Krishna. So which is not possible for the big yogis. So the same Krishna saying, Hey Pavandev, your life is dhanya, your jivan is successful because Radhaji got so much man and you are playing with the cross of Radharani. Why they throw the air? And the smells of Radharani's body, so Krishna is so much intoxicated with that air, with that smell. Gandha. That's why Madhav Gandha, Radharani's another name is Madhav Gandha Udmadati. Raghunath Das Goswami, it's described everything. So Madhav Krishna himself, he got intoxicated with that fragrant or smell. Madhav Mohini Radha, which the smells of her body is incredible. So Prabodhanand Saraswati Pad is very humbly how he is doing the stuti. In the Nidhivan, so the stick of the broomstick, so I get the birth being a broomstick of the stick in the jhadu in the Nidhivan. So we are praying for the Radha Dasi. It's true. But the Prabodhanand Saraswati Pad is very humbly, he is praying, who is in the Tunga Vidya Nitya Leela, in the 8 Shakis, especially there in the amongst the 8 Sakis, Tunga Vidya is a special Saki. So he is Prabodhanand Saraswati. So when Radhaji got man, so at the gate of her kunj, so how he is praying very humbly, again and again he is bowing down his head on the dust of the at the door of the Radharani. He is twisting his ear, so he is doing up and down by the holding his ear. So where the Paratma Krishna, he is himself Bhagwan, Brahma and other devtas who is taking taking the shelter and praying for the dust of his lotus feet. So the same Paratpar Paratatva Krishna, so in the Ras Madhurya, how he's showing the love and affection. So that's why in the 64 qualities of Krishna, so there are four qualities are Rupa Madhurya, Leela Madhurya, Brahma Madhurya and Prema Madhurya. So he's showing this Prema Madhurya here. By this love, by the love, how he is controlled. So who is the Dhir Lalit Nayak? So the symptoms of Dhir Lalit Nayak is showed here. Priyasi Bhakti Vasi Bhusha Naviyovancha Nischintata. So these all symptoms he is showing here. So he is showing this kinds of Leela. Krishna, he is thinking himself. So what kind of love Radharani have in her heart that she's making me dance? What kind of love she has? So Krishna is saying that Radharani is my love guru and I am her servant. I am her das. So what kind of love she has in her heart that the Paratpar Bhagwan Krishna, so he would like to relish that love. So Krishna is thinking himself. And what kind of Saundarya Madhurma I have that Radharani is relishing that? What is Madhurma I have? Bhushanam. So it's a very beautiful shlok is this. So I was hearing this shlok in the morning class, Bhajan Rase. So I was hearing this shloka. The same Krishna, he was thinking, so what kind of Saundarya Madhurma I have that Radhaji always relish that? How she relishes that? By her eyes. So by the tongue we used to lick something, but it is possible to lick something by the eyes. So the Rupa Madhurya is licking by the eyes. It's not possible by the tongue. So what kind of Saundarya Madhurya I have that Radha Rani always one-sidedly she looks on me and relish that Saundarya Madhurya. So there are symptoms of anurag or affections, which is the symptoms that there is no satisfaction in taking darshan. So there are two symptoms or special qualities of anurag or affection. One is atriptita, unsatisfaction. Darshane atriptita means not satisfied without taking darshan. Always want to take the darshan. Whenever we comes before the Vigrah, we do some Vistavistuti and take the darshan, do Dandavat Pranam, and we went away. And we do pranam and others. We used to think about that we have our slippers outside. Is it true or not? Whenever because we used to tell a story. There was a old lady. So if the speaker said, so whenever you come to the temple, always give up the bad things and take the new things. So that old lady had a very bad slippers. So what she did, she has left his old slippers and she take the new one. So in our Mathura Math, there are many many slippers has been stolen. So they have put their old slippers on the temple and they have taken the new one.
रहे
So when we stand before the Thakurji, so we reminds the all things that somebody cannot take in our slippers.
हैं? कहने के दस किंतु देखो
So what's my
जो
mean to
कथा में वर्णन
say?
करते
So
जा
the
रहे
katha I am telling
हैं,
you,
वर्णन हो रहा है
that
हैं? ये अनुराग की दशा में जो दो वस्तु दिखाई
so in the condition or state of
और भगवान
anurag,
की
there
क्या
are two
करते हैं?
symptoms.
कृष्ण भी कैसे
What
न
Krishna?
वर्तमान रूप में नहीं
So
एवरफ्रेश
Krishna always
हैं?
ever fresh. He presented his form ever. He always presented his ever fresh form.
न वर्तमान रूप में प्रकाशित
Every day, every time,
भगवान
new
में
and new.
विशेषता है
So this is a speciality in Bhagwan. Always ever fresh form. It is not possible by this material person.
इसलिए अनुराग
That's
दशा
why
में दो
at the state of
वैशिष्ट्य
Anurag, there
हैं।
are two speciality or two symptoms according to Ujjal Deenmadi.
दर्शने
Darshanene
दर्शन
atriptita.
करके ही ऐसी
So
लक्षण
someone is without the, after taking darshan, somebody is not satisfied. They always wants to take darshan more and more. This is called darshan
इस
atriptita.
जगत में जितना भी वस्तु है
So whatever the things in this material world, it is limited.
कंपनी लिखा रहता है
Sometimes you have seen that it is mentioned the limited company.
अपराध की जगत क्या है
But the transcendental world, it is unlimited. It is aseem. It is infinite.
माइनस
Infinite minus infinite is equal to infinite.
अनंत जगत वो उसी
So this is the anant, infinite world.
इसलिए भगवान के दर्शन करके कहाँ तृप्ति कहाँ
So how you can be satisfied after taking darshan of Bhagwan?
वास्तव ये सत्य है
It is true.
भगवान के स्वरूप
Bhagwan, who has taken the darshan of Bhagwan's form, he got mad.
है हम लोग अच्छा है, भगवान के दर्शन नहीं किए
It's very nice that we haven't taken the darshan of Bhagwan. If we took the darshan of Bhagwan, we got mad.
दर्शन कर
So if somebody wants to get mad, so he should take the darshan of Bhagwan.
लेकिन दर्शन दर्शन है और तृप्तता
So there is darshan, insatisfaction with the darshan,
स्नेहन अनुबंधनम
and the parasparanu snenanu vandanam.
द्वारा ऐसे अनुबंधित रहते हैं
So they are tying with each other's love that they cannot be separate in a moment, for a moment.
सुनना है कि जब तक सर्वं गोविंद हीरो है जो महाभाव की जो दशा अभी
So at the stage of Mahabhav,
महाभाव की जो विशिष्ट विशेषता लक्षण जो बताए
so there are 16 symptoms of Mahabhav.
जनता हित विडुरन ब्रह्मांड समस्त ब्रह्मांड के जो है वो
All the Brahmans,
ऊपर मचा दिए
there is ups and downs, all the Brahman, trembling all the Brahmans. So this is all described.
तीर्थ जनी पाप से लालसा इसमें तो महाभाव की स्थिति में है
These all are the stages of Mahabhav according to the Ujjal Nirmani. I am just telling you a little bit here.
कहाँ कहाँ स्थिति है खनकते कल्पते खनक ब्रह्मा की एक दिन तक
So Brahma's one
कितने
day,
दिन तक ब्रह्मा की कितने दिन
for
तक
how many days of Brahma,
गोपियां कृष्ण के साथ
Gopiyas
प्रेम विहार विलास
was performing the Ras Leela with the Krishna. Tar Brahmaratri.
बहुवचन हो रहे हैं
Tar Brahmaratri is a Bahuvachan, it's a plural number here.
किंतु तथापि
Still, they were not satisfied.
कृष्ण के छोड़कर के जाने
They didn't want to leave the Krishna, and at least Krishna,
करके वह समस्त गोपियां हैं अपने अपने गृह के तरफ जो है
so after the permission of Krishna, these all gopis got their home, which is described in the Ras Leela.
मिलन ये कौन वर्णन कर सकते हैं
So the meeting with the Bhagwan, who can describe? They only the people who has met with Krishna, they only can describe. Sukdev Goswami Pad and Parikshit Maharaj knows all these things. 7 days, 7 nights continuously they were giving Harikatha and receiving Harikatha.
विश्राम नहीं
They were not taking rest for even a single moment.
है विश्राम नहीं है कभी-कभी सुखदेव गोस्वामी
Sometimes
पाद
Sukdev
भाव
Goswami
में खो
Pad,
जाते
when he observed in the bhav, sometimes
क्या हो जाते स्तंभ हो जाते
when he is stable that time.
हैं तो परीक्षित महाराज
So at that time, Parikshit Maharaj was so much restless.
कथा सुनने में इतने
He was so much eager to hear Harikatha that time.
बोले कथा बात आश्चर्य से अपने सुख, आश्चर्य से वक्ता, कुशलत से श्रोता।
Ashrasya Bhakta.
आश्चर्य वक्ता, आश्चर्य श्रोता नहीं।
So astonished or the shocking speaker and the shocking listener, how beautiful they were striving, and the Parikshit Maharaj was taking Harikatha, receiving Harikatha continuously.
जो मैं आपको बताते जा रहा
So
हूं,
the Katha was telling you,
ये पुराने में जिसमें जो होता है क्या, परस्परान अनुराग की दशा होता है क्या, परस्परान स्नेहानुबंधनम, एक दूसरे के स्नेह ममता प्रति के दशा ऐसे
so
बंधित
they are tying with each other's love, they cannot be separated with any for a single moment. So these are two symptoms of anurag. So Krishna is thinking, so what kind of Saundarya Madhurma I have that always Radhika Rani, she take that, she relish that. And the third one is
मधुरिमा के आसन से राधा जी देवी कौन सा
bhav.
अनुभव क्या है?
So what kinds of anubhav realizations she feels after taking the taking darshan of relishing my bhav, my Saundarya Madhurya. So if there is a rasgulla is in front of you, there is a deep person. If you ask them that please tell us, so what kind of rasgulla is that? What is the taste of that rasgulla? He cannot speak, but what their feelings he can express. He will say, very nice. He will say, wow.
लास्ट में ही होता है।
So he gets so much pleasure. So there is a speciality in love.
आनंद की एक लहर यूं जिसके कहा जाता है भावों के
So
द्वारा,
there
शब्दों के द्वारा व्यक्त करना
there is a
संभव नहीं।
flow of pleasure there, because you cannot describe by the words.
ससंबद्ध दशा और जावत आश्चर्य व्यक्ति आए। अनुराग की पराकाष्ठा
So the topmost stage of anurag, where
ससंबद्ध दशा और ससंबद्ध
swaswama dasha or bhavallas. Swaswama means
अनुभव,
you will anubhav, realization yourself,
दूसरे की व्यक्त करना,
which is not able to describe to other persons. It is not possible.
जब ये जर्जरित की एक
When
रसगुल्ला
this material things, rasgulla, eating this material words rasgulla, and the deep person cannot express their feelings, so the transcendental words things, who can describe?
अपराधिक वस्तु अपराधिक,
Transcendental thing is transcendental.
अपराधिक वस्तु को हो नहीं प्राकृतिक गोचर।
So the transcendental thing is
जो
not
अपराधिक वस्तु है,
able to express by the
अपने
material
प्राकृतिक
ways.
इंद्रिय आदि के द्वारा
So the transcendental things
अनुभव
we cannot realize by these material senses. For that what we need?
प्राकृतिक
But-
इंद्रिय आदि जो
So we need the transcendental senses for that.
और भक्ति के परिभाषा में तो
And
ऐसी कहा
so what is in the Bhakti Parivasha, the definition of the Bhakti is said,
गया
Anila Vilashita, definition of Bhakti is Sarvapati Vidamukta, Shevana Adurachit. Wow.
सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम,
Sarvapadi Vinirvaktam.
उपाधि से जब हम मुक्त हो
When we will be free from all kinds of designations, at that time we have so much, many types of designation we have.
सबसे बड़े हमारी उपाधि क्या है?
That
ये शरीर
what is the biggest designation we have, that we are this body, we have this body, we think that we have the mentality that we are body. So this is also kinds of designation.
सर्वोपाधि विनिर्मुक्तम, ये समस्त उपाधि से
When you will be free from all these kinds of designation,
शरीर समस्त प्रकार के अनर्थ से जब निर्मुक्त हो
when all kinds of anarth will be removed,
अनुभव चित्त है कि हम जब प्राप्त
when we will get the transcendental
वह
form,
चित्त शरीर के द्वारा
so
ही
by the transcendental form you
सेवा
will serve the transcendental Bhagwan.
निर्मलम ऋषिकेन ऋषिकेश सेवनम भक्तिरमुच्यते। इस कथा प्रसंग में
So the Katha Prasang we were describing,
एक कृष्ण स्वस्थ
so the Krishna is thinking himself this
राधा
thing,
के अनुभव क्या है?
that what is the realization or experience of Radharani.
ग्रहण कर वही केवल आस्वादन करने के लिए
So for relishing these three things,
स्वयं कृष्ण
so the Krishna himself,
राधा जी के भाव और कांति लेकर के
he taking the bhav and kanti of Radharani,
नवद्वीप में प्रकट
he appeared in
अधिकार भाव
Navdeep.
संति
चोरी कर रहे
है तेरी करी अवतीर्ण न भइल गौर हरि है गौर हरि के
So Gaur Hari stole in the complexion and bhav of Radharani and appeared in Navdeep. So the katha I was describing you, so the Gurudev is described very nicely. Rai Raman is describing these things. Every tattva was done. Krishna tattva, Prem tattva, every tattva from the Varnashram, Dharma and Radha tattva, every tattva was described. At least Rai Ramanand is saying, I have a doubt in my mind. Doubt. I have a doubt in my mind.
मेरे हृदय में एक संशय है लोग उद्धार रीते तब अवतार है यही तो है यार कि तुम मुझे वंचन ना करें
Please do not neglect me, that because for the welfare of the living entities you have appeared in this world. Please tell me truly.
तुम्हारे सम्मुख देखी कंचन पंचलिका तार गौर कांत तुम्हारे सर्वंग ढका
So he is saying that I have took the darshan of your sannyasi's form. So Mahaprabhu, who was sannyasi, so he had a beautiful form. So he got the darshan of this beautiful form of Mahaprabhu. He has all the signs of Mahapurush, Sudirgha Bahu. He has beautiful arms from the till the knee, and he is longer than his body. He has longer than his hands 4 times. We all are longer from our hand is 3.5 hand. From here to here it's one hand. So even a little kid, he is longer than 3.5 of his hand. So everybody is a bigger, is the elder or the lower. Everybody is 4.5. 4.5. 4. Okay, Mahaprabhu was 4 hand of his body, of his hand. That's why Mahaprabhu, when he was performing the Nam Sankirtan, so he was so much tall that time when he was raising his hand. First, he has a beautiful form, Gaurang Takta Kanchan form, the golden complexion form. By the aura of his body, he was relishing. He was, giving light to everywhere. So he has a beautiful long eyes, beautiful nose, and the higher lips, upper lips was so just like ripe bimba fruit. It is described. So Gaur Sundar has this kinds of form, and he was performing Nam Sankirtan then. Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So that's why our Rupa Goswami Pad is writing, and the Raghunath Das Goswami also writing. When Mahaprabhu, before the Jagannath ji, he was doing the dancing that time. So can I get this darshan again in my heart? How beautiful darshan was that? It is mentioned in the Sachi Sundar Ashtakam. In the Sri Chaitanya Ashtakam, it is described very nicely. So by the mercy, by the causeless mercy, is this giving the darshan to everybody, every living entity. When the Jagannath Rath Yatra, there are thousand people are there, and when Mahaprabhu was dancing there, especially the Swarup Damodar. So when he was singing a little doha, and hearing that, and Mahaprabhu was dancing at time very fastly, just like the golden mountain is going up and down. How beautiful is that?
द्वारा
and by the tears of his eyes,
समस्त लोगों के क्या करते थे?
he is sparkling by the tears of his eyes to
सीरिंज में जैसे
everybody,
पानी पी-
just like somebody is taking the water in the syringe and and
साधारण
pouring
मनुष्य
to
भी
everybody.
आप रोते कितने समय तक रोगे बताओ?
So how long you can
आप
cry?
कितना आंसू
The simple people, how long they can cry?
जो नाटक अभिनय आदि करते हैं,
So the
जैसे अपने
people
रावण
who
में
are
देखा,
performing
जो राम बने, सीता
the
बने,
who are playing the
वो
character
तीनों
in
में
the
एक
Rama
जैसा
and
वो
another
एक
place,
एक जो है,
so
कुछ
they are
लगाते
using
हैं,
some incense for make themselves cry.
जो जैसे भी लगा
So
देते हैं,
whatever they are
कुछ समय
putting
तक
in
इसके
their eyes,
बाद
so
कोई-
for a while they can cry only for a moment, but after that the tears will be stopped.
किंतु महाप्रभु
But
क्या करते हैं?
Mahaprabhu, what he was doing that time, he was crying a lot. How he is very, fastly he was dancing that time.
और कभी-कभी महाप्रभु
And sometimes Mahaprabhu,
धूल और रोज करता है,
he was rolling on the dust of
और
the
महाप्रभु
ground,
के मुंह से जो है लाल
and
टपकता
there is
था।
a starch is coming out from the mouth of Mahaprabhu.
और उसको
And
महाप्रभु के लाल को चाटते थे।
And the Shivanand, the devotee of Shivanand, they were licking the starch of Mahaprabhu's mouth.
कभी-कभी महाप्रभु
Sometimes Mahaprabhu,
जब राधा भाव में नृत्य करते
when
थे,
he was dancing in the mood of Radharani, so Nityanand Prabhu was watching from so far.
और जब चैतन्य
When
महाप्रभु
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
साधु में नृत्य करते थे,
spontaneously he was dancing, then Nityanand Prabhu was coming closer. So this is all described. So what's my mean to say? Gaurang has a beautiful form. So he said, I have seen your sannyasi form. I have seen. So Raya Ramananda is saying like this. So now I'm seeing your Shyam Gopuru.
और तुम्हारे सम्मुख देखी कांचन पंचालिका, और फिर क्या देखा आपके सामने?
And then
सुंदर जो है
I have seen your
कांचन पंचालिका के दर्शन।
the golden complexion form.
तार गौर काम के तुम्हार सर्वम बैठा माने राधा जी है? राधा की अंग काम की
Your whole complexion is covered. Radharani's complexion is covered by the Krishna. No, Krishna complexion is covered by the Radharani's complexion.
आहाते प्रकट देई श्रीवंशी पदा नाना भावे चंचल कहती है? सुंदर नयन उसमें वर्णन है आयरन से करे।
So Raya Ramananda is saying,
कृष्ण मूर्ति की दर्शन,
so he is taking a darshan of Krishna Murti very nicely.
ये समस्त वर्णन है। इसलिए कह रहे हैं प्रभु आप मुझे बताइए आप कौन हैं?
So please tell me, who are you, Prabhu?
ये वास्तव रूप में आप कृष्ण हो।
Actually, you are Krishna,
केवल राधा जी के अंक कांति लेकर के
just
आप आए।
taking the complexion of Radharani and covered yourself.
आप स्वयं कृष्ण।
So you are the Krishna yourself.
तो महाप्रभु पहले वंचना करने के शुरू कर दिए।
So Mahaprabhu neglected him. Hey Raya Ramanand,
तो महाभागवत
you are the Mahabhagavad. I have heard your glory from the Sarma Bhattacharya,
जो महाभागवत होते हैं
who are the Mahabhagavad.
स्थूल वस्तु नहीं देखते,
They cannot see the gross things.
रस बड़ी नहीं देखते।
They cannot see the
वो तो
gross
भाव में
body.
विभोर हो जाते
They
हैं।
always
सारा
observe
सब
into the
लेकिन आगे
bhav.
दिखा दिया। हैं? अपने भाव में विभोर।
He is observed in the bhav.
इसलिए कहते हैं तुम महाभागवत हो।
That's why he was saying that
इसलिए
you are the
तुम मुझे क्या करो?
Mahabhagavad.
मैं कृष्ण हूँ।
So that's why you are saying that I am a
अरे
Krishna.
विष्णु विष्णु कहाँ कृष्ण जी कैसे?
Are
मैं
Ji
मायावादी
cannot be
सन्यासी।
Krishna.
महाप्रभु कह रहे हैं,
Mahaprabhu is saying,
हैं? ऐसे ही महाप्रभु कह रहे हैं, एक साथ, हैं? आप मुझे कृष्ण करें,
you are saying Krishna to me. Raya Raman is saying,
वंचना न करें।
please do not neglect me. For the welfare of the living entities, you have taken this avatar, this form.
तब उस समय चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने उनके के हंसी
So
को
at that
उतारे,
time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
दिखाई
he showed his form.
महाभाव,
So he showed his Rasraj Mahabhav form.
यानी वही तो मुझे
And after seeing that form, Raya Ramanand, he was fainted.
हंस करके
So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was laughing and he showed his form. He never showed anybody else,
रसराज
which is called Rasaraj Mahabhav Swarup.
देखी रायरमंद
Dekhi Raya Ramanand.
मूर्छित हो गई।
And after seeing that darshan, Raya Ramanand, he got fainted.
वो रसराज महाभाव स्वरूप क्या है?
So what was that Rasraj Mahabhav Swarup? So seeing that Rai Ramanand, he got
ये
fainted.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
And then Chaitanya
अपने वस्त्र
Mahaprabhu,
स्पर्श कराए
so he touched his
हैं?
hand
रामजी भक्त
to Rai Ramanand.
हाथ के द्वारा उनका स्पर्श किया।
So he touched himself
और
by his
तब
hand.
राय रमन के जो है
And then Rai Ramanand got
फिर
back
देखा
the
कोई
consciousness. And he's seeing
वो
again
राज
that
महाभाव
he is
स्वरूप
the
ने दर्शन किया
same
था।
sannyasi. He got the darshan of that Rasraj Mahabhav Swarup and he got fainted. And after touching the Mahaprabhu, he got same darshan
और
of
चैतन्य
Mahaprabhu.
महाप्रभु ने कहने लगे
And Mahaprabhu was
कि
saying,
तुमने मुझे स्वरूप को दर्शन किया
so the darshan you have took of my Swarup, that is very mysterious form. Do not reveal it. So Mahaprabhu is saying
जो
himself,
मुझे मेरे जो गौर अंग को दर्शन
so
किया
whatever that
गौर अंग
darshan you have taken of
राधा
my
को स्पर्श
golden complexion,
गौर अंग नहीं
it is not the
राधा को
golden
स्पर्श
complexion, it is not the Gaur
स्वयं
Ang, it is the
अद्भुत
Radha
दर्शन कर
complexion
बिना
it is.
केवल नहीं स्पर्श अंग जो राधा जी की ये विशेष निष्ठा किसमें
So who Radhaji have Vishesh, Radhaji has his firm faith into the feet of Vijayanandan Shyam Sundar.
कृष्ण के जितने भी अवतार भी हो जाते हैं
So
कृष्ण भी
except Vijayanandan Shyam Sundar, Radharani cannot take the darshan,
उनके स्पर्श
cannot
नहीं
touch that person or that incarnation. So this is the nishtha, this is the firm faith of Radharani. She can only touch Brajendra Nandan. She cannot touch anybody or any incarnation of Krishna except Brajendra Nandan Shyam Sundar. So the katha we have heard about the Pethagao. I am just telling you in a short way. When Ras was going on at the Govardhan hill, yes, Upar. So the Ras was going on. So Krishna was thinking, he was doing, so he was laughing and joking there. And Krishna disappeared from the Ras. Thoda bottle side se kar. So and all the gopis were searching Krishna. Where is Krishna? Krishna was thinking. So Krishna was thinking simple, maybe some gopis cannot caught me, so he went to the Kunj and he took a 4 arms from there, and every gopi, one gopis came and he do the pranam and went away. So he's think that she was thinking that he is Narayan. So the Radharani's, so the smells of the Radharani's body, when Radharani was coming towards Krishna, near to Krishna, so seeing the, so feeling the smell of Radharani, Krishna's hand, Krishna's body was shaking that time, and their hand goes into the stomach. That is why it is called Petha. You have heard this katha in the Narayan Sarovar. You have heard this katha. So Krishna's. So this is the Madhurva or Radharani's fragrance that Krishna cannot keep himself for a long time in a 4 arms form. Is it clear now? Check. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is described. If Radharani is before Krishna, Krishna himself, he got three-banded form, Tribhanga Lalita form. So this is a beautiful Tribhanga Lalita form. You cannot find that form living except Braja. So the Braj is Krishna. In the Trivanga Lalit, he has a Trivanga form there. So he has a beautiful form. Rai Ramanand is saying, so whatever the form I have seen of yours, the Krishna form I have seen you, the 3-banded form I have seen, and you are holding the flute on your hand, and you are having the peacock feather on your head. So that's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was bound to say that. Mahaprabhu is saying himself, Hey Rai Ramanand, so whatever you said is true. I am the same Krishna. So whatever the golden complexion you are seeing me, it's not the Gaurang. What is that
बोले
actually?
साक्षात राधा
This
जी,
is
राधा तो स्वरूप राधा
this
जी
is Radharani herself.
साक्षात में मुझे
So Radharani herself covered my body.
बोले क्यों?
Why?
इसके अनेकों
So
कथाएं
there are many reasons or kathas here.
जब नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन धाम
When in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, Krishna appeared
भाव आस्वादन कर
for relishing the bhav of Radharani,
कृष्ण प्रधान उस समय राधा जी मानी
at that time Radharani was thinking herself in his mind, in her mind, said that the Mahabhav position of in whatever the position or stages comes in my mind at the time of Mahabhav, so I feel so much pain that time.
ये हमारे पुराण ग्रंथ गोविंद की
So,
सहन करना संभव
so it is not possible to bear our Prankan Govinda.
है।
He
इसलिए
cannot
जब
tolerate
राम
this.
का
That's why in the Braj Bhagavatam
वर्णन हो रहा
Granth
है,
it is
प्रेम
described
है क्या चीज?
what is love actually.
प्रेम ठंडी है कि गर्मी है? अब
Love is hot or cold.
हाँ? शीतल होता है। इसलिए बृहद भागवत में देखा
That's why in the
है,
Braj Bhagavatam
अनंत करोड़ विश्व ब्रह्मांड के
said Anant Koti Vishwa Brahmans,
ताप एक सबके
He-
एक तरफ रखो।
you keep that the heat of keep the heat aside, and Anant Koti thousands of crores Brahman you keep the cold aside.
बोले प्रेम की दशा में वही
It happens at the stage of love. In the simultaneously, the same time, hot and the hot and cold, hot and cold. It's the combination of love at the same time.
गर्माई और
Thandi, hotness and the coldness at the same time, simultaneously at the one moment. So it happens at the transcendental love. So you cannot judge at that time that love is what is love actually. And when love is manifested in somebody's heart, so what we can describe? We cannot describe that.
मेरे कहने के उसी प्रकार तात्पर्य राधा
So
जी
what's my
सोच
mean
रही
to say? Radharani is thinking herself in his
कि
in
प्रेम
her
की
mind.
दशा में ये समस्त दिखाई
So it happens at the stage of love,
और विशेष करके
and especially
मेरे प्रेम की जो अनुभव मैं ही अनुभव
so
करता
I can only realize the love of mine, what I feels at the time. It's not possible to
हूं।
Krishna,
कृष्ण के अंग इतने सुकुमार
and
है
Krishna's body is so much soft
ना जाने उनके शरीर में कितने कष्ट हैं।
that he will feel so much pain in his
जब
body.
सिद्धार्थ चरणामृत वंश करें तो भीतर से नहीं डरी है। इस श्लोक में तो वर्णन
In the
है।
shlok it is described very
प्रेम
nicely.
की ऐसे दशा होता है
So this is the stage of love
ऐसे दशा हो जाता है गोपियां
that gopis
है, कृष्ण के चरण कमल में जो है अपने हृदय में रखने के लिए भी
so
डरती
so they are so much feel pain they cannot or scared that we cannot put our feet on the Krishna's heart. They feel so much, they are so much scared that time.
हम कैसे वर्णन करें?
So how
इसे राधा जी सोच रही है।
how we can describe this kinds of bhav? So Radharani is thinking how the Govind will feel so much pain in his heart when he will dance very fastly. So when he will fall down like a banana tree on the ground, so he will feel so much pain at that time. So how he can tolerate this? When Mahaprabhu at the time of Rath Yatra he was dancing, so he was dancing so much fastly that time, and he was falling on the ground that time. It's like a earthquake came. It is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. So he will feel so much pain in his body.
राधा जी यही सोच
So
रही है
Radharani is thinking the same.
ये कृष्ण के लिए
So it is not possible to Krishna to bear all these things at the Mahabharata stage.
इस शरीर कहाँ से?
So how his body can tolerate these things?
इसलिए राधा जी
So that's why Radharani herself
क्या किया?
she covered whole body of Krishna.
है? लपटे आवृत है कष्ट तो मेरे प्रेम की तो ही
So-
दशा है
So this is the stage of love. She was thinking that I will feel the
ना
pain
करिए
that time.
आपको दुख अभिमान की तार मोरी यदि दिया जो तार भाई मां सही दुख मोर सुख वर्ज्य प्रेम तो उसी प्रकार है
So this is kinds of
प्रेम की
love.
सर्वोत्तम
So
परिभाषा दी जाती है
the topmost definition of love is this is the topmost definition of
अपने
love.
दुख दुख नहीं मानते
the lover cannot think that it is not my pain. I used to tell one story in this material world also happens the same. So in this ordinary, in this material world, we have seen the love a mother have in her heart for his child. Who can describe that? A mother who has love for a child. Who can describe that?
जन्मदाता
A birth giver
उनके
mother.
हृदय में पुत्र के प्रति जो
So
एक
she has
प्रगाढ़
so much deep love,
अटूट स्नेह
unbreakable
प्रीति रहता है।
affection towards their child. Who can describe that?
कभी-कभी कथा सुनाता हूं।
Sometime I used to tell a story.
एक लड़का
There was a boy.
एक लड़की के साथ प्रेम करता
There was a boy who loves a girl.
है। की कथा है।
So this is the story of this material world.
लड़का कहते हैं देखो
The boy
वो
used to
दिन तो हो गया,
say, it has been a long time we are meeting each other, we are hiding ourselves.
फायदा कुछ नहीं।
So there is no use of it.
घर संसार बैठा है।
So now we will get married. We should get married.
कब तक तुम ऐसे चुप करके रहोगे?
So
कब तुम्हें चुप करके
how long we will be meet each other while hiding ourselves? That's why we should get married and following the varnashram dharma.
धर्म के निभाए।
So we will follow the dharma. So we will follow the Gras dharma.
वो लड़की कहने
So
लगी,
that girl was saying,
मैं तुमसे शादी कर सकती
I can get married with you.
हूँ। एक
But there is one condition.
क्या?
Shart.
तुम्हारे माँ के हृदय के लिए मुझे
So you have to give the heart of your mother to me.
अपने माँ के हृदय में हाथ काट करके मुझे
So you have to give your mother's heart to me.
है। तो तुम्हारे साथ मैं
Then I will get married with you.
कौन बोल रहे?
Girlfriend.
लड़की बोले, प्रेमिका है।
So the girlfriend is saying like this.
भाई देखो प्रेम में जब ऐसे हो जाते जो बोली करते हैं।
So sometimes people got mad into the crazy into the love. So whatever the beloved is saying, so they have to accept it. So the boy said, okay, I will do that.
उनकी माँ
So look, her mother
हर रोज
every
बेटा
day
के लिए खाना बनाती।
she used to cook for
जब
his
तो बेटा के नहीं खिलाती है,
boy,
जब बेटा जब
his
नहीं सो
son.
जाते, माँ खाती
So until she is not feeding his child, she cannot
है।
sleep.
माँ के
She
प्रेम,
couldn't
माँ के
sleep.
स्नेह क्या वर्णन करें?
So who can describe the mother's love?
माँ बैठी,
So the mother was sitting.
आज बेटा बहुत समय हो गया।
So she was waiting for his child, that it has been a long time that he is that that son has not come yet.
देखो माँ कैसी बेटा के लिए गरम गरम सब्जी बनाया सबसे।
So mother cooked very
बेटा के खिलाफ
beautiful
और इसके बाद
stuffs for his sons.
उस दिन माँ पूरा
So
परेशान थी।
actually at the time the mother was so much
बेटा के लिए
tired.
बैठे सब कुछ किया।
So she did all the preparation for the sons. So it has been a midnight or 12 or 1 a.m.
रसी घर में
So much slept on the kitchen,
और बेटा
into
ने
the
क्या
kitchen.
जो अपने
And what that son
क्या
did,
बोलते हैं उसको? प्रेमिका के जो वचन दिया ना,
so he has promised to her girlfriend that I will bring my mother's heart for you.
देखो माँ सोई हुई है।
So the mother was sleeping and into the kitchen. Huh?
बड़ा एक चाकू लिया,
So he took a
माँ के हृदय को
long knife and he cutted the heart of his mother with the knife. So it is
और लेकर के चल
possible
पड़े।
in love. So he was carrying the heart of his mother and walking away, moving towards his
प्रेमिका की
girlfriend.
सारी इच्छा में पूरा कर।
So he was thinking, I will fulfill all the desire of my
ऐसे
girlfriend.
चल रहे थे,
So he was walking and he was running. That time at that time there was a stone stuck in his toe, stuck in his toe.
हैं? और लगने के
And
बाद
when the stone is stuck in his toe, so the heart of the mother, it fall down
अब से
on the ground,
टुकड़े हो गए।
and it broken into the pieces. So at the time the sound is coming from that heart, oh beta, oh my son,
कितनी छोटा
is there your toe is paining, please take a rest little bit.
मैं ही जो है तो पैर हमेशा कर
I can massage your feet.
और मैं ही तुम्हारा हैं? वो अपने कपड़ा जो है फाड़
So
करके
I can dressing your feet, your toe by my clothes. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai.
आप बताओ
How? So you tell
माँ के
me,
हृदय कैसे
So what kind of mother hearts of mother have? We cannot describe this. What mother's love we cannot describe.
स्नेह ममता जो मातृ माँ में जो
So
स्नेह
in this
ममता
material
है,
world we have seen the affection towards the sons the mother have in her heart. So what we can about the we can describe about the transcendental world.
मेरे गुरुदेव कभी चाहे
My
नहीं,
Gurudev used to say,
कांडव ज्ञान सार है दीपक ज्ञान, and who has no common sense.
who has no commonness, who can get the
साधारण बात तो
transcendental knowledge?
ज्ञान नहीं, साधारण ज्ञान,
Who doesn't have the general knowledge like this material world knowledge?
इस जड़ जगत में यदि एक माँ के
So
हृदय
in
में
this
जो
material
ममता,
world, the mothers have this kinds of love.
मधुर रूप में छिपी है,
So it is hidden in the heart of the mother.
क्या बनना है?
So who can describe
तो
it?
अपराधिक चित्त
So what to talk about the transcendental world?
प्रेम और सोचा अपराधिक चित्त है।
So in that transcendental world, the prem is incredible. So Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was describing. So now we are moving this katha.
मेरे कहने की
So
तात्पर्य
what's
यह
my
है,
mean to say?
स्वयं राधा जी सोच,
So Radharani herself is thinking
ये मेरे प्राणकांत गोविंद,
that my Prankan Govind.
ये महाभाव की दशा है, मेरे जो
So at the
महाभाव की
stage
दशा
of
है,
Mahabhav, when I got the stage of feelings of
इस शरीर में
Mahabhav,
कैसे शांत है?
so how he can tolerate all these Mahabhav?
इसलिए कहते
So
हैं,
at that time,
हमारे भक्ति रत्न
our
श्रीधर
Bhakti
गोस्वामी
Raksha Sridhar Goswami was saying, and he has written in his Granth. What is the Granth name? Volcano Energy?
क्या जी?
Volcano Energy or what?
उस ग्रंथ में ये।
Well,
मैंने
Sridhar
स्वयं
Bhaktivedanta
राधा
Madhav.
जी जो है,
So Radharani,
कृष्ण के सर्वांग में जो है वो
she has covered
है,
whole body of Krishna.
कृष्ण की कहीं कष्ट ना हो,
Maybe Krishna doesn't feel any pain. That's why whatever the pains comes to me, whatever the suffering, it comes to me.
प्रेम की ऐसी स्थिति
So this is a stage of love.
है। इसे चैतन्य महाप्रभु
That's why
के द्वारा
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself is saying,
है, गौरांग नहीं, राधांग स्पर्श। तुमने जो देखे राधा
so
में,
whatever
तुमने
you
जो
have
देखा मेरे
seen,
गौरांग,
so it was not my Gauranga form. It was not the Gauranga form. It was Radharani's form.
राधा की राधा
So she was herself Radharani because Radharani herself covered me.
आपके पेट को मत करिए। यह गुप्त कथा सत्य,
So this is the katha. This is very mysterious. You cannot reveal this before everybody.
रसराज महाभाव।
So at that time he showed the Rasraj Mahabhav Swarup. So we have stuck on this question yesterday. What kind of that Rasraj Mahabhav Swarup, that Raya Ramanan, seeing that Raya Ramanan, he got fainted.
है क्या?
What is that actually?
राधारमण में तो राधा कृष्ण के लीला में
So,
विशाखा देवी,
Raya Ramanand in the Radha Krishna Lila, he is a Vishaka Saki. He has seen the Krishna, he has seen the
अब
Radharani.
यहाँ पर भी देख रहे राधा गौरव के केवल
Now he has seen, now has seen the Krishna, and he has seen the Kanchan Panchalika Radharani. But what is that Rasraj Mahabhav Swarup?
जो चैतन्य महाप्रभु
That Chaitanya
उनको
Mahaprabhu,
दर्शन कराए,
he showed his form.
आज तक किसी के दर्शन नहीं,
He never showed, he had never shown this kinds of form to anybody except Raya Ramanan. It is described in the Chaitanya Charitamrita.
आदि प्रभु तारे दिखाई लो, रसराज महाभाव स्वरूप। कृष्ण की कहा गया रसराज,
Krishna is called Rasraj,
और राधा जी के कहा
and
गया
Radha is called Rasesh Mahabhav Swarupa, Srimati Radha
प्रेम
Thakurani.
स्वरूप, भाव भावे स्वरूप महाभाव, और महाभाव स्वरूपिणी
Radha
राधा
Rani.
ठाकुर है। उन महाभाव की साक्षात मूर्तिमान राधा की
So the Mahabhav form is Radharani.
आनंद
So
मूर्ति
Mahabhav took herself the form of Radharani.
स्वयं के कराए
She
स्वयं
is the-
रस
She
मधुपान,
is the pleasant potency of Krishna, pleasure potency of
स्वयं रस
Krishna.
नहीं सीता,
So Shamras is Shringaras. The Shringaras name is Shamras.
है? श्याम वर्ण क्या है? सिंगारस के वर्ण श्याम वर्ण होता है। श्याम
So
सिंगारस
Shringaras is Varna is a Shama Varna.
विष्णुदेव के नाम से, है?
It is
तथा
described.
जाति-
मतलब विष्णु दैत्य नाम Shingaras Varna is Shamras.
हर रस की वर्ण अलग अलग होता है।
Everyone has a different Varna. Huh? Every one has different ras.
तो उसी प्रकार वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं।
So this way it is
ये
described
राधा जी
that Radha
कृष्ण के
ji,
प्रति कितने प्रकार प्रेम रखते हैं।
she has deep love towards Krishna which is not able to describe. And the same Rasaraj Mahabharata Swarupa, when Raya Ramanan saw that, he was got fainted.
कृष्ण की क्या कहा?
It is mentioned in the Veds, Puran and everywhere. Raso Vaisa.
रस स्वरूप है।
Krishna is Rasa Swarupa.
रस जीवा लब्धानंद भगवती। वेद उपनिषद में इसे वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं।
Ved Upanishad everywhere is described like the same.
ऐसे सुंदर रसमय पुरुष हैं भगवान।
So in the same way, there's the ras form of
एक ही समय
Bhagwan
जिसके द्वादश रस रहता है।
who has a 12 kinds of ras, 12,
5
5 mukhya, 5 mukhya, 5 the prominent, and the 7th god, the secondary rases.
जब कृष्ण और
When Krishna,
रंगलाई में प्रवेश
he
करते हैं,
entered into the Rangshala of Krishna,
द्वादश प्रकार के
कंस,
कृष्ण के द्वादश रूप ही दर्शन करते हैं।
so कौन
मल्लानंद असनेनीनंद
किसने दर्शन करे
जैसे जैसे लोग उसी के रूप में दर्शन करते जा रहे हैं।
So everybody was taking the darshan of Krishna as a different form. Like some was saying like
एक प्रकार मणि होता है।
Vedurja Maniga. What Vedurja Mani?
उससे क्या है?
What is
बोले
that?
जिस दृष्टिकोण से देखो,
So whatever angle of you will see or take the darshan of Krishna, you will see the same form.
लाल नील पीले
Lal, Neela, Pila.
सब रंग दिख जाते हैं।
In that money, or every color is manifested in in that money.
तो भगवान
So
कृष्ण जब
Bhagwan Krishna, when he entered in the Rangshala of Krishna Kansa, so at that time,
जैसे से लोग अपने अपने भाव से
so according to the bhav, everybody was taking a darshan of Krishna.
उसमें वर्णन होती है।
It is described. So what's my mean to say?
कृष्ण रसो वही रस स्वरूप है।
Krishna is Rasa Swarup himself.
अखिल रसामृत मूर्ति पसनो जो विचित्र तारकावली कलित श्यामा ललित राधा प्रियाणु विधुर्जयति। भक्ति रसामृत सिंधु
In the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Grantha, in the preface shloka,
कृष्ण की यही कहानी
so Krishna is described like this in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Grantha.
प्रस्तावना श्लोक में
In the introduction or preface, this shloka was quoted
अखिल
there.
रसामृत सिंधु
Akhil Rasamrita Sindhu.
कलित श्यामा ललित राधा प्रियाणु विधुर्जयति। राधा के प्राण से विधु चंद्र कृष्ण चंद्र जय युक्त हो।
Krishna is the prana of Radharani, and he is describing and doing established of Krishna in this way.
प्रेम है स्वयं कृष्ण की भी सुंदर।
Very nice.
कृष्ण के सौंदर्य मधुरिमा सर्वत्र वर्णन है।
So Krishna's Saundar and Madhuram is everywhere described from Bhagavad and Puran, everywhere,
रसराज
because he is a Rasaraj Swarup.
जिनके दर्शन करके
So taking darshan of him, everybody got
रूप
shocked.
कितने सुंदर
How beautiful form he has, how beautiful form Govind have.
यहाँ तक भी गोविंद
Even
वासुदेव को
Vasudev,
गोविंद तेरा माधुर्य देखे
even Vasudev Krishna, when he saw the form of Krishna, Braj Krishna, he got fainted. Pradyumna, Aniruddha.
वासुदेव कृष्ण ने
When Vasudev Krishna himself,
अपने वर्णन संस्कृति
when he saw his Brajindandan Shamsundar form, he was so much shocked. He fainted that time. It is mentioned in the Lalit Madhav Grantha. How beautiful form he has. So seeing the darshan of Govind, Vasudev Krishna got fainted that time. It is mentioned. Mahaprabhu is saying in this way to Sanatan Goswami.
कृष्णेरी जते खेला सर्वोत्तम नरलीला नरबपु ताहार तरु गोपवेश वेणुकर नव किशोर नटवर नरलीलार है अनुरूप।
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying to Sanatan Goswami Pad, Hey Sanatan, listen about the Krishna Tattva, Advai Jnana Partattva. He is non-dual. He is as we heard the Brahma Samhita, Advaitana,
अद्वैतम अच्युत अनादि अनंत रूपम आद्यम पुराण पुरुषम नवजोंक नंच विदेश दुर्लभ अदुर्लभ आत्मभक्त गोविंद
Damadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. So you used to every day when you used to do this kirtan. So I remember the katha of Gurudev that time. So in the Keshavji Gaudiyama Gurudev, at the morning time, at the morning walk, he used to sit with us at the starting, and Gurudev used to say everybody should read Brahma Samhita, and everybody started reading Brahma Samhita. And in the morning, as you were reading, so I was feeling the same feeling that time. It was looking very nice when you read the Brahma Samhita and do the stuti. So I remember the old memories, how beautiful it was. It looks very nice to see all of you. You were studying the Guraj Ashtakam. You were studying in the morning. How beautiful is that? I was listening in the morning. Aha, very nice. So at the time of Gurudev, we used to do the same. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamam Bhajami. Aha, beautiful. That's why you are very fortunate that you are staying in Vrindavan and getting so much association of sadhu and doing the performing Nam Bhajan. What to need more? Everybody is taking food everywhere. Everyone is taking food everywhere, but the sadhu sang, association of sadhu, Hari Katha, Nam Bhajan. Our Krishna's Prabhu, he speaks very nice. I used to listen her lecture. All our Pandit is here. I'm laughing on everybody. Whatever I'm saying, it's true. Seeing all the character of Brahmachari. So I'm not criticizing anybody's or any much. But it feels good when I see, because I'm remembering my Gurudevs. So I feel the same, the remembrance of my Gurudev, what is happening here, seeing all things here. So when before 25 or 30 years ago, when we used to sit with Gurudev, so we used to do all the same things like this. The time is over now. The time is over now. So the things I was telling, how Mahaprabhu was describing the beautiful path, the Sanatana Goswami path. So I have left the same question yesterday. Why Ramanand got fainted? And we have came and in the same topic we have come today. Shri Radhe. Chaliye. Thank you for tolerating me. Hare Krishna. If you want to check the live Aarti, you can come on to the Hindi page. Hare Krishna.